So with that, Vikas is going to walk us through marketing automation. Just so that you guys know, about an year or so ago, he did not had even one certification. He was not a Salesforce consultant, not developer, not QA. He was doing something else within the Salesforce ecosystem, but nothing to do with actual platform related activities. But then he challenged himself to learn Salesforce platform, become a consultant. And I think if I remember correctly, Vikas now has 9 certifications in Salesforce within 1 year. He is a Salesforce Scrum Master and he is a Salesforce Marketing Cloud and Einstein consultant. It's been a great journey that he challenged himself to pursue. And if you ask me, it's been very impressive. So Vikas, over to you. Please take us through the marketing automation.
Yeah, thank you, Anil, for that warm introduction. And yes, everybody I want to take this that anyone can learn Salesforce, particularly towards the consulting side of it. And there's a huge opportunities in this area where you can come, you can learn Salesforce, and you can become a functional consultant, you can become a business analyst, you can become a Scrum Master, or God knows what else. So with that, I would like to kick off my session. So let me share my screen and let me know once my screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, yeah. So as Anil said that this session is about marketing automations and a very high level overview of it, what are its capabilities, and then eventually down the line we'll drill down into those capabilities inch by inch. So this is myself, Vikas Sharma. I'm a Salesforce Scrum Master and a 8x Salesforce Functional Consultant. I am marketing automations and B2B commerce enthusiast, and I'm a Salesforce and Himalayan trailblazer. So I like to blaze the trail of Salesforce, but I'm on my vacation. I like to blaze the trails of Himalayas.
Hey Vikas, we are hearing a bit of background noise. I don't know if it is due to your mic or something else. Do you want your default mic setting if you're using an external mic?
Second. Is it better now?
This is better, yeah.
Okay, yeah. All right. So that's what about me. Now let's quickly get into it. So marketing automations, and let's start with very basics. So a marketing automation process or system facilitates the marketing to be effective, efficient with the use of technology. Now here I draw your attention. One is marketing. In our case, it will be digital marketing. Second is effective marketing. Third is efficient marketing. And the fourth one is use of technology in the marketing. So in this session, we'll be drilling down into those 4 keywords and that how it sums up at the end. Now, let's quickly talk about marketing in an overview style. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing helps us identify potential customers as lead and automate the process of nurturing those lead to sales readiness through the digital experience. Now, what does it means is that we are attracting new customers, and before sending it to the sales team, we are making them ready to be sales, that we know that, yeah, this customer is an engaged customer. We'll get into detail of that in a bit. Types of digital marketing are email marketing, mobile marketing, social media marketing, and others are like SEO, content marketing, pretty much most of the things which we saw in Shivu sir's session. Now let's talk about for a minute about the marketing approach. So on left hand side, I have a traditional funnel approach. So how the funnel approach operates is generate a lead, include them into a generalized automate email journey, and then once the customers start engaging, hand over the lead to sales, and eventually it will go to the service team. Now, as per my understanding, it has 2 challenges. One, we are trying to influence all leads by a generalized experience, that is like using a key for all the locks. Second, it creates a disjoint experience of prospect and customer as they move from the marketing to the sales and the customer service. And most of the times they have to explain their story again and again, and they don't feel connected that this organization or this business knows me as an individual. On the right hand side, I have the flywheel approach. Now the flywheel approach, how it operates is the customer marketing journey should be like a rotating flywheel, which means 2 things. One, all the customer experience touch points are connected in a circle, and the customer is at the center of that circle. So if you can see in the image at the right bottom, we have marketing, sales, and service all connected in a circle, and the customer is at the center of it. And the second is like a rotating wheel, continue to nurture the customer relationship even after they have passed to the sales and the deal is won. So the customer is purchased with us, but that's not where the journey ends. That's where the journey begins. We want to retain that customer. We want to cross sell that customer. We want to keep that a healthy relationship with that customer. So that the approach should be like a rotating wheel. The relationship, keep on moving. Now, with effective and efficient marketing automation strategies, we can reduce the friction and keep up that flywheel rotating. Now, let's talk about efficient marketing. So what efficiency in general means is we reduce time and we reduce cost. So marketing team can save a lot of time and cost by automating many steps in the process. And then they have more time to focus on the real things like building strategies, nurturing new leads. So these are the things where they can work on. Automated process steps are the core to any marketing automation system. They allow you to set up a series of automating nurturing tasks, which will initiated based on the prospect section, which some examples Shibu showed over there. So let's take an example. If a site visitor requests to attend a demo, which we have scheduled, the nurturing task will be immediately send them a thank you email, then wait for some time and then send them an offer that you are interested in that demo. Here is an offer and you can subscribe to our services for these. And then before that actual demo, we can send them a follow-up email as a reminder to that demo. So through this journey, the customer is feeling that yes, I am connected. The organization knows me and they are in touch with me at every step. Efficient marketing. Let's talk about one more example. So let's say this example is of a tourism industry and the product is a Everest base camp trek. So let's take an example. There is an adventure tourism company who are operating treks in India for some time now, and recently launched a new track which is Everest base camp, and that is in Nepal. And now they have decided a marketing strategy for that. So the marketing strategy is task one, they will gonna send an email to download the ebook about their track to a decided or a selected list of contact. Then once the people downloads that ebook, they will gonna send a thank you note to all those people that thank you for downloading this ebook. Then they're gonna wait for 2 days and then send up a follow email to all the people who have downloaded that ebook, offering them a discount offer to register for the track. And finally, when someone engages with that offer email, our sales team will get a notification so that they can follow up with the team. Now, understand the impact here. At the end, when I'm sending those leads to my sales team, I already know that this customer has already engaged on the 3 points. And with very minimum interaction of the marketing as a human, everything was automated. The emails were going there and the customer was engaging with them. So if as a salesperson, I'm getting 10 leads in a day, and out of those 10 leads, these 3 leads are, I know that already engaged with those emails. I know these are the one which I should be calling first, and these are the one which are a good prospect for me. So with marketing automation, the entire above strategy can be fully automated and very easily, and the marketing team can actually focus on getting more leads, identifying old customers to be included in this journey. And the automated journey which we talked about can be of 2 types, scheduled and triggered. So let's deep down into those. One is schedule marketing. So what is schedule marketing? In schedule marketing, campaign activities are aligned for a particular schedule. Let's take an example. For retail, festival seasons are big days. So whenever there's Diwali and all these offers, we see huge offers on Amazon and Flipkart and many more platforms. So what they are doing the schedule marketing. If I'm into text business, then March is a month of Diwali for me. I want to target that month. Or maybe I can send some discount to my customers on their birthdays and wedding anniversary, which we are getting every day in our everyday life. So how all these are happening? These are happening with schedule marketing. Everything is getting automated and people are getting engaged with those. So key to success here is identify our business peak season, pull out the calendar, get the campaigns and email scheduled, and through the automation that will gonna go. So here is an example for Marketing Cloud. So it's a birthday email. So the first is I'm sending an email, happy birthday to my customer. Then I'm wait, and this email contains a discount code. And then I'm waiting for 3 days, and then I'm doing a decision split. So what I'm doing is I'm checking whether that customer is engaged with that email or not. If he is engaged with the email and he have used that discount coupon, I'm okay, I can exit this journey. But if he has not, I'm gonna wait for some time, and then I'm gonna send them an offer reminder again that, hey, we send an 40% discount or 30% discount offer to you on birthday. Please use this and be a valuable customer to us. So now through this automated process, I am trying to keep that customer engaged for 2 or 3 steps. And then at the every step, I can check whether the customer is engaged or not. And then I can get the customer exit from that journey. So this is scheduled marketing. Next is triggered marketing. Now, what triggered marketing is, this is based on the action the customer and subscriber take. So this is not based on any schedule. This is based on the action. So the first example is, let's say there's a welcome or onboarding series. So there is a new customer who has recently joined us, or he has become a new customer to us. We can define a welcome journey to them. We can start sending our information catalogs or blogs to them. Second is product shipping and appointment notification. So as soon as a customer has placed an order, we can start sending them the important information, emails or messages that now your ship is ready, now your shipping is reached here, now your ship is ready to deliver, which we are getting every day. And the third one, my favorite, is abandoned cart or browse. So what happens is, sometimes customer come to our website, they select a product and then they put it in the cart, but they do not complete the checkout process. And that is a very potential prospect for us. So how we can do that is we can create an automated journey. So here is an example. Let's say through an API event, I'm getting all the data of the customers who has done abandoned cart for today. I can wait for an hour, maybe sometimes because their payment might get failed or their internet got some issue. So let's not do that immediately. Let's wait for 1 hour so that we are sure that yes, this customer is an abandoned cart now. Then send a cart reminder email to them that you selected this product in the cart, but unfortunately you were not able to complete the checkout. So please do that. Then let's say wait for 1 day and we check that whether the customer has completed the cart or not. If he has completed the cart, that's fine, we can exit the journey. If he has not, then this is the point where we can send an offer to the customer, because probably the moment he add the product to the cart, one of the competitor have pitched in and they might have given them a better offer. That's why that's the abandoned cart for us. So what we can do is we can send them an offer of 10% or 50% discount, and let's see if the customer engages with that. This is fully automated. We don't have to do it manually. We just have to keep our data clean, and then the customer will gonna enter into the journey directly. So this is triggered marketing. Now let's talk about that was about the efficient marketing. Now let's talk about the effectiveness of the marketing. Now, what is the effectiveness? It's all about personal touch. As Shibu said, it's all about the personalization. So what is effectiveness? We want to get the maximum output from our leads. So what happens is sending impersonal message or generalized responses to customers is very ineffective. Like, we also get hundreds of email every day, but I'm not interested in all those 98 products. I might only interested in one product, which is personalized, or which is what I was looking for. So what we can do is, instead of sending those 100 emails for all the products we offer, pick the customers, what they want, what they are looking for, and send them that personalized product information. And that's where there's a high probability that the customer will gonna engage with us. So what happens is, if we send a general broad message to your entire contact list, will end up getting deleted or marked as spam, or maybe even ignored. But with marketing automation capabilities, we can influence the customer by inbound marketing. Now, what is inbound marketing? It automates the process of provide personalized, valuable content that aligns with the customer needs and interests. And that's where I see the email that, oh, I was looking for this, and I immediately get engaged with that email. So what is the strategy of an effective marketing? The first thing is collect the right information always. So how we can personalize the content, how we can personalize the journey for customer. We need data for that. So whether the customer is looking for a particular product on a website, whether the customer is looking for a particular product on the Google or any social media platform, we can get that data, harness the power of that data, and then personalize based on that data. The second is personalized marketing based on the customer information and behavior. So whatever data we have collected, we have to make it standardized. We have to make sure that we understand that data, and then based on that data, we can start doing the personalization. And again, both the steps, it can be automated in any marketing automation tool, be it any. But let's say about the marketing cloud, yeah, we can do that. And then the third steps is decide the next steps. So we have the data, we have personalized. Now how we want to do a journey. So Shibusa showed an example of customer journey, and we show an example of abandoned cart. So based on that personalized and the data, we can define a journey that this is how my customer will go through this journey. He'll gonna receive these emails on so and so days. And then for sure, what we have seen is that the customer engagement increases with all these strategies. Let's take an example. So I want to draw your attention on two emails which I have put here. On left hand side, the email talks about the bathroom tiles, and on the right hand, the left one is talk about the kitchen tiles, and the right one is talking about the bathroom tiles. What if I tell you both the emails are same? The design, the component, the email structure is same. The thing which is happening is the actual email is getting personalized based on the customer data. So what we have here is a structure of the email which has all the components which are dynamic. So you see these top images, then this offer, then this content, then this blogs at the bottom. Everything is dynamic. What is happening? Based on the customer data, the emails are getting personalized. And when I see this email in my inbox, I immediately get engaged with that email. Oh, this brand knows me very well. This brand knows that I was looking for kitchen tiles or bathroom tiles, and that's how they are providing me the content. And imagine another situation where I'm sending both the emails to all of my customers, and then the customer feels no, they are just sending me the generalized email, and then I might get ignored. Those emails might get ignored, or maybe that personalized effective marketing. And the last thing which we saw is application of technology in marketing. So two things we already talked about. So automation tools to automate repetitive tasks, and then the personalized capabilities to deliver relevant content. These are the two things which we have already spoken. But it's the technology, the application of technology does not end there. There's a huge potential of using the technology in our marketings. One is inquiry forms. So what we can do is marketing automation tools allows us to create forms which we can publish on social media, which we can publish on our website, and we can collect relevant information from the customer. And that's where once we have that data, we can use that to personalize the customer experience. Second is predictive lead scoring. So as we discussed earlier, that I'm sending multiple emails to my customer, and the customer is either engaging with those emails or if not. So based on that, the marketing automation tools has AI built in them, and based on them, they can do a lead scoring. So let's say I sent 3 emails to a customer, and a customer engaged with all the 3 emails. Now what the AI will do, it will gonna assign a higher lead score to that lead. And if a customer is engaged with only one, it will gonna assign a low lead score lead. Let's say he has received 50 leads. So and he immediately knows that, oh, these are my top 5 leads. They have a score of 8 or higher. These are the customers which are more engaged in my marketing journey. So these are the one I should call first. And that is, again, the effectiveness and the efficiency comes into the picture. And the next is the analytics side. So there is a tool called Einstein Analytics, now known as W in Marketing Cloud. So what it can do is we can harness the actual data. Marketing is all about data. We get tons of data from our campaigns, from our journeys, from social media, from third-party vendor, and it is actually very important to harness that data. It's very important that we understand that data. We are able to leverage the power of data. That's where the analytics tools comes into picture. They can give us a better, understandable picture of that data. We can standardize the data from across platforms. If I'm getting from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Google, and every platform has their own format to in presenting the marketing data. So what with the analytics tool we can do is we can standardize that data. We can get an overall completed unified picture from all this data, and that will gonna help us take better decision for our marketing strategies. So let's bring it all together. Now we have got the basics nailed down. So one thing is marketing automation is all about nurturing the long-term relationship, not one-time selling. Second is we avoid the one key to all logs approach and implement content that is personalized, relevant, and aligns with our customer and prospects which are looking for. And third, and the cherry on the cake is by implementing a marketing automation tool, we can make this process a whole lot easier and automated. It's concise, everything is precise, and we are winning at every step. So that's all from my